Download, kill this beat, see they sweet me. What I go on at the salon committee. Lock man up, cause supporting country. Embassy self, not the say nothing. Now lock mode for the can misquote me. Dubai life not really easy. Also for
just want to make small interview for you about one more people in view of how I feel about this electoral process. Yeah, but I want you to tell me your name. How many people know your name as a Sierra Leonean?
Yeah, my name is Abdurrahman Sisse. I'm a Sierra Leonean.
Okay, thank you. And I just want to ask you something. I want to ask you about the election. What do you say they go on today? You have to say, I'm going to and the right to go on before. What is your opinion about what you want to do?
Like this, we happy. So as for me, I'm not really happy because I don't spend more money for my link Kaya for can vote. I can't not see me name that the list. See now they don't provide list. Well, at least I don't register like a month ago. I can't see me name not in that list. But as for that, that one don't look good, you know, because like not only me affects up to 265 people who supposed for vote, but the aspirants they name they're not in that list. So you not go down well with me, and you not go down well with others.
Thank you very much. Then I want to ask you again. Now they say you forget Emirates, you forget passport, and you forget a visa. Before you be a patriot Sierra Leonean for making your visa.
Well,
and we say we are Sierra Leoneans. What do you feel say that day? What are the impact that they create inside we like inside we union in Dubai as a Sierra Leonean?
Well, for me is they want passport, they want Emirates ID or employment visa. At least if you get your Emirates ID, supposed for vote. Because your passport don't show saying as Sierra Leonean, they don't give. So they give you Emirates ID. That Emirates ID they represent you as your passport. You can use that. You can use that for go out, use that for coming. So no need.
Thank you so much, Papa. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Wish for interview any other time. Thank you so much. Yes, good afternoon, sir. And I want you to introduce yourself.
Augustus TV. Live Augustus TV from Dubai.
Me and Magbako from
Okay.
they have come cast votes for this election today.
So, sir, I don't know if you feel the criteria that put in place for this election. If you go down well with you, what is everything that you will do?
Well, so me, this news where we can get today, since the starting of this election, waiting that they see, actually know they go down with it because all waiting they ask me, I do have, they say I pay 5 billion for registration, I do have, they say I present the legitimate ID, I present, they say me passport, I present everything, the visa copy, I do everything. Not knowing that today we have for cast the votes, the next week come out and say we don't know it. So this is a surprise news to me, and the next week come out today for this election, and I appreciate it because I take a lot of effort for Koma Abu Dhabi Canada and I spend my transport at home and account my entire team all day at home. We don't call all we schedule them today for can cast the votes or they say we not for votes.
Thank you very much. Don't you think you now what I want to ask again is I don't know if this thing go down well, just tell me what you feel about everything.
Actually, as I've been saying, you don't go down well with me because if you're asking me for that pay for the registration, I don't pay. The seller presents, whatever present, I don't present her. Then at the end of the day, they sign up for votes. I'm not going to go down with me because I don't spend a lot of time for Kaya, I don't spend money for Kaya. If I come, they sign up for votes and the election will get. So I'm not going to go down well with me. And not to me only because at the head team, are they are with me, full team. All my team, then they are with me.
Thank you very much. So what are your advice to fellow Sierra Leoneans towards this election?
Well, the advice we are sent to everybody for this election, now be patient and see what God will do for you because the leaders they see what will happen. And we there for represent the country. We always there not to outside the community. We there for no These are just a club. It's not a politics, not a party. It's about your own business. We all can do together. You know, so like if a team don't come out, so me I'd advise the entire team, Augustus the team. No patience, no listen to them. I say no we can, no everything they tell you. But this thing, you know, really go down with you because you don't pay with registration, you don't present all what you for present. If they say we not for votes, you know, go down with you. But I'd advise everybody in Augustus the team, no patience and see what God will do for it.
Thank you so much, Thank you. On one lady where they call Khadija, for let we can know what's my own view towards this election today. Miss Khadija, please. Miss Karika, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
I'm not saying you're true Sierra Leonean because I see you look, I'm not saying you're Sierra Leonean. Where can I represent you see for this election? So I want you to tell me what you after the constitution you go through today. After all you can pay, after all what you don't do, you don't talk for you. But since I get for vote, but today you come out and say you say this election is the whole water. So what do you feel say they for put in place for this election?
Actually, even me right now, I get so many things for people because of this election today. I'm not able to one. And so people are not come on party, so man, even today, my get the hour of duty, left the hour of duty because of this election today. And even me, I don't feel fine because get the determination and the crowd and really today, and this don't happen. And we don't really feel fine waiting happen today because they don't work with you because the intention we don't get for this election today, they don't make all zeal they don't work. And some man don't left the job, even me, I don't left with it at the do, I don't come. Yeah, I mean I beg at the baby, the ambassador and the people that were there before me. They can't tell what they do. Yeah, I made them change everything because we don't really focus as Sierra Leonean. Why did they say we Sierra Leonean? Because what me know, when you get your passport as Sierra Leonean, that don't defend you not Sierra Leonean. That is like the wild thing and they let me say we for vote. That's not good. Even me, I get my passport, we name no car. Me not Sierra Leonean. The only thing we need to say ambassador them for do and the big one then when you get your passport as a Sierra Leonean. Do you hear me? I beg the ambassador them and the one they let them. Okay, now you get your passport, you for vote.
Thank you, Ms. Khadija. I just want to ask you another thing again. Now, they tell me say the election they're gonna embassy, but then they will. We don't know how true it is. We don't know what's in your own view for that. If favor you or they not favor you.
Actually, me then they not favor because the crowd with the thing about crowd and buy the crowd. But they get a great crowd. So if they say that they go to Abu Dhabi, let must spend the day because the population at Dubai. So waiting if idea, if in another month a bit for the embassy they don't say for vote, then they free and people they will get way for vote simple and come. So me that they made a big the election made them make Dubai and free space because even here when they make the election they tight. So the election may take place in Dubai and made them make a once and for all.
Thank you very much, sister. I really appreciate you. We wish for calling again for another interview. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Team Augustus, the winning team, the Yobon team. So please, at the babe now, everybody will get you constraint or you view or anything you want to say, you can come and make an interview and say anything you want to say. When they reach to uphold the authorities now, Dubai for the UAE. So now we are calling on another person again when we brought her from RAC. One second tell me small thing about what he observed today about this election. Yes, my brother. Yes, my brother. Good afternoon. Yes, and please go introduce yourself to the people.
I'm Lina Victor Williams from RAC, Sierra Leone, son of the soil.
Now, you see what happened today. You observe what happened today. So, I want to ask you one question. I want to ask you if even Sierra Leone in our country, if they can't hear the happening.
Well, my country, they can't see right unfortunate. It didn't happen. Because we need to look at the talk show. Because when they don't say election, I understand say they put everything in place before the election starts. But come, you say you conduct election, then the last day now you pull list, and the list when you pull, we call it, we get ski camp. So that ski camp play we will get now 2 camp you pull list for, the 1 camp you abandon. So as he say, this thing go down well with me. So obviously, people can come out a large number for that other camp to say, this need for votes because what happened, we come for camp to cast to vote for the border when Augustus and now with nationality. Right now with nationality, so we come for cast to vote for the country.
Thank you so much. Every time they ask you again, now they say that they postpone the election until further notice. So like if they postpone this election until further notice, and I will able to get time again for this kind of for candidates again.
Well, it depends. Alright, what make I say it depends. Because today some of we don't spend the money then, we don't come on a different states then, we don't come. There's sorts of things that happen. You know, go down with some man say, it go tight that day for make come, but some of we will take the chance for come. We can vote for we brother, they can cast to vote for brother. I mean like me, I let them say 100 times, and they come for can cast me vote for the brother winner Augustus.
Thank you very much, my brother. We appreciate you and we thank you because of the stand for what you believe you saying at the right thing. We appreciate you. We wish you call back another time for another interview. God bless you, sir. Thank you. So thank you very much. As soon as they see, everybody get different opinion and different views what you want to give concerning this election today. So now we get another person again because we decide for Guam in any state, all the Emirates states, the one interview people there, let them know say yes, I don't know, and they leave all the other states in the UAE. So now we call somebody from Saja. When I'm Mr. Dauda. Good afternoon, sir. I just want to
Okay, Dauda Kamara, Saja City, and yes, I know.
Thank you very much. I just want to ask you a few things. I just want to ask you a question concerning the election today.
Okay, no problem.
You see the kind of election takes place, right? We want to know what are your views to what the structure of the election today.
One of the things we look at is that today is between Nigeria. One thing about life, any society what they instead of doing. Yeah. And I believe it's not one person to win. Who don't deserve the win, we don't get it. We don't need to begin the big differentiate of one of the things that like we need to support one person. After we are all Sierra Leoneans. One person will win and for all the Sierra Leoneans. We don't get different people like this. We need to act as one. But like the way things goes, nobody not happy with that.
So, thank you very much, Papa, for your opinion. And what I just asking you, I don't know, what are your advice really towards the coming? Because until we say now they don't pause the election. So now they decide to make another election. I don't know what are your advice or you don't give way to people here, or let them calm down or what will happen. So why are you from your advice?
Yeah, like let me just say, because anything can happen for a reason, you know? For everybody use it, right? And today let me say 90% or 95%, many people get chance to come because some are left with job, come just because for you come and come with something different. But like I believe that we are also Iranians, and as like developing, we need to come together. Yeah, we forget about what you don't have to try for put things in place. At least we will maybe the next time.
Like then tell we say they make list of people away for vote or for vote. So that will go down. I don't know if you name them at the list or if that go down well with you.
I believe so, like long since they don't give names to it. And I just wonder why they don't give inputs because afterwards a small crowd, not to see a better population away from make somebody name for missing. Afterwards we are all Sierra Leoneans, we don't give Emirates, passports, you know. I just wonder why up to how many people and the names are missing. Like something fishing is happening, you know. So alone we need to forget about this kind of act. Therefore be real in anything we do. Even our country will see a lot of frauds. Even for carry back that same fraud. You know, it affects me seriously. Because like anything concerning we nobody take us serious. Because when they say Salomon get this, nobody will take us serious because it happens everywhere. We need to be real with anything we do.
Thank you so much, brother. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for your views and your concern maybe towards the development of the area. Thank you so much. We will interview again at any time where we need you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. As soon as I don't hear you again, from another brother from Saja. So these are the views of the people then. The people then get them right to get them view, then get them patriot right to make them vote. So an officer will stop person for getting right as a Sierra Leonean. We are all Sierra Leonean. We are all from Sierra Leone, from Sierra Leone for come develop my UAE. So if we make an organization and we go to embassy in this country, collect the help and support with make we able to do development in this country. I don't know if the embassy be the obstacle of development in this nation, we feel say we will try to do something we go make peace and stability reign to the Sierra Leoneans and this nation. So that's what we are doing now. And we think that for interview brother and sister, I know their views or them probably the one of them that will solve the problem. So we tell them all thank you. Now we get another exclusive interview again from one way other. Are they here today for interview with brother from Abu Dhabi, the drivers union from Abu Dhabi. And these people are a very strong hold for like Team Augustus, why the type of interview. Now we can ask Ismaila into this and tell you everything and views them where you get towards this election. Good afternoon, Mr. Hassan.
Good afternoon to sister.
How are you doing?
Alhamdulillah.
Mr. Hassan, thank you so much for making possible this cabinet interview. I really appreciate that, okay? Mr. Hassan, I just want to ask you, the time when you take from Abu Dhabi for Kamnaya and today, when a very important day where you walk as a driver, where you went today for come this election, come vote as a Sierra Leonean. Now you can't meet them say the election don't cancel. What do you feel about this whole election?
Really, I don't feel good. I don't feel good. Because we as a driver know that any single day where you miss, you don't miss a lot. Because we work as a target. Any day where you miss, but we do this one as a patriotic citizen of Sierra Leone because of the union, for all come forward with union, how we go able to help with sisters and brothers when they can UAE. They make a left the job. I do everything. I spend money for today, for put the right man at the right place. Then all the time and the money I don't spend, unfortunately they ban this election. That no go down with me at all.
Thank you so much. I really see the anger inside you in the talk. I really know say this not go down well with you. Then what they say again? Now then they try to tell me say they don't cancel the election, they don't ban the election, they send the election to Abu Dhabi and the embassy to go vote today, blah blah blah, all the other stuff. So now if they take the election, can't go to Abu Dhabi for go vote today. What is the advantage? When we the people name waiting at UAE, what is the advantage and disadvantage of say it will affect you?
Before they come to the point for answer direct, first, before ever we think for go any for spoil the job for any other day again for any other reason till the embassy themselves have ambassadors them, tells them till they tell you the reason why make them decide for ban the election. If we know authentic reason, then ready for do back any other sacrifice back for go vote. Then they that to care for as a for unity. Because we can't have for kind of to family and country as a whole. We don't come only for families. So because of as a Sierra Leone, if they postpone election, they give you any authentic reasons, then we're ready back for go cast to vote in Abu Dhabi. We go back.
Thank you so much. And what I want to ask again. Now, the type of tell we say, we're not ready, this team not ready, study for you name not in the list. I don't know if you name it in the list, so I just asked. You name it in the list? So now, we want to know what they mean by name in the list, because I've seen a 3 camp stand, right? Each camp will send a your representative list. And if all the cameras send a representative list, then at the end of the day, they just present 2 lists at the embassy. So I don't know what do you feel about that. What do you feel about that?
As I say earlier, that no go down with me. The whole process, and they do things of late. Not today we start for vote. We know the vote since within our country. We know the procedure, how somebody what you make an eligible for vote. All the right things, we don't do everything. We register with Emirates ID and with nationality known as then they not ever count confirmation because any election. After another register, we expect say before the election take place, they count for the confirmation, they send the list them. We can check if either they no come from any tribal from any that they not ever happen. We don't send the names, we don't register, and not even free. They say election for being free and fair, but this one is not free. But we really ready for do and because of as a Sierra Leone, since I born, I never pay for election, but this we pay now Dubai. What we say it costs Salomon $10,000 to pay. because of the unity wey dem wan form as a Sierra Leone, I know to sacrifice for pay the money. Now we don register. Some of we get Emirates ID card, some man not get. And if you don't not get, they get passport. And the Emirates, some man get Emirates, the passport not there because yeah, in order to down to say okay. Yeah, their own policy is different from your policy. Any job, whenever you found yourself, they hold your passport. You not get access to your passport. But some man get what in Emirates. And in Emirates, what is it? Name the back. Me na Hassan Sise. Me name na Emirates Hassan Sise. From there, by go to the one name, they put it back to the nationality one as Sierra Leone. And nobody no go hold Emirates ID card. Will be say, you know, based on UAE. And will be say, you know to Sierra Leone because they put it in nationality. And that's why they hold Emirates not like a real country. As I talk, I show an example family. If they come and disqualify people, they say because of you not get your passport, we own passport to account, we not get access to them because as we come, the company who found themselves, they don't own the passport till we contract finish. But this, as when I see this, me Emirates ID card, me name the name Hassan Mohamed Sise, nationality Sierra Leone. This don't entitle me for make a vote as a Sierra Leone. This we don't see the whole show say they want to lose election, not the election they want to do. It's like they don't choose the one they want. Me to me own view of point, there is no need for call election. Therefore, don't give you are what they want. Then without willing for join the union, you join. But they call the union in the name of Sierra Leoneans, say the one friend president of UAE, not to Dubai. Now, all what the condition they give him, we abide to the rules and regulations. Of late, we come, they say majority do what they want, and majority not there for the person. That the also bring will make the cancel the election, not for any other reason. These are the main facts reason will make the cancel this election here. And that not go down with me. Like I know they talk so, you own and they talk on behalf of the drivers them in UAE, not even Abu Dhabi, in UAE. Now they send me for that talk. And this, what is that ready for publish embassy, the executive of the embassy will say, and then they work in the interest of individual. And this don't go down between the Sierra Leone and we're ready for talk. Any Sierra Leone is ready for talk.
Thank you so much, my brother. Get the view. If you not see around, if you not see around, all these people are Sierra Leoneans. We want to cancel a virtual trial this morning. But there is no time for them to make them cancel. We're not giving them time for vote. All these are Sierra Leoneans standing outside all the rain. On the rain, and they can't vote for Mr. Augustus. As you see, all these people are Sierra Leoneans who can't vote for Mr. Augustus. But because the government, Yuki or other thing, they not even give chance for let people vote. People now they see. So I try to tell you now, no more, let's see what they go on now UAE. So this now just an interview, make people views them and know what people need and what people want. Now you can't force the horse to go to the stream, but you cannot force the horse to drink water. But now what you say like they want force people and let them vote for the wrong person where they don't want. And actually, I feel say we can put the right man in the right place. Now that's I feel. So now on behalf of Team Augustus, I try to call on another interviewer where we want to interview and ask them again what kind of view we will tell you about your view from Rasakaima. Good afternoon again, ladies and gentlemen. We still in Naya and voting down. We still in Naya for country we pray to it guys and Sierra Leone and vote for Augustus. For vote for the right candidate, for vote for the right man and put the right man at the right place. So at the Bebuna, let us stay calm and stay still. Let us see the kind crowd where they are for Team Augustus this afternoon. We're still there over 3 hours there and under rain. As you can see me now, under rain today. So try to talk to brothers and sisters and calm them down because of what they cancel this election. So at the Bebuna, let our patience to pray and stay cool. So a while today, try to interview with brothers and sisters. Now with the kind of well brother from Adman. Yes, sir. Sir, please, I want to introduce yourself to
the status of Commander in Ajman.
Sir, I just want to ask you something. This election will go on today. You okay with the duration of the election? What exactly?
This is a very stressful feeling because this election every time they turn am down. From last year they turn am back this year, saying that today na the final day for me. Because you know, plenty people in Nigeria, some of them they don't fly this, some of them they need to fly it. Understand? But like if they work, they go do overtime. You know, some of them all sacrifice them till they are tired today, or can cast their vote to the right person. You know, so this year not happen, very stressful. You not go down well with me because like what's in the team? Some of even me, I gave me passports, I gave me Emirates cards, I register, you know, my name not they say. So I know you not go down well with me.
So like what are the time of saying is now they don't cancel the election. They say for no votes. Pass on to further notice. And other women they come back say, when they send the election embassy will go. One of the Sakama and the Sakama they know that the Sakama distance Adjumani distance to Abu Dhabi is very far. I know what you go put in place for more Adjumani to go Abu Dhabi to go for it.
Well, you see the thing, we collect. We because we dey for because like we outside we not tanga is for better. Any outside they go to because na that they want first place we. But any outside they turn am, we dey ready for go cast with votes. We not tanga is for better. So they go there. Any side we left to the any outside they say they go was we name them. They can not ready for votes.
So like thank you, Papa. So like what do you feel say they for put in place for all this election? Because the election like very long time, so I'm not saying they will just think and say election done. What do you feel say we will put the embassy will put in place for let this election come to election?
Because like na straightforwardness no more because like you know say Saloma will left for copy. Now what's happening in Nigeria na they want copy but they miss because the final day today they can't be say names they not come, this they not come. Saloma I know say na so we dey always we dey copy from other people there. But this you know will not go down well with you. So like we dey wait for the ambassador of maybe we will get wetin dey try for talk. Understand? Na the last person.
Yes sir. You got Emirates right?
I get me evidence, I get me passport.
You get all what it takes to make it take this election.
Yeah.
So why they for stop say this election for council? What time is what they will make them stop the election for council?
When I corruption the account inside, go to the beginning of Salona in the account inside about. But like this all just a try for more unite someone and union because some they see some country there, what they go on now, where they help themselves. You know? Some people in there where they split. You know, but like if you get this union here, council one, or more help yourself, they try for make no this party and I one, this party and I one. This sort of party business. Not to SFP, not to APC. Understand it? Or PMDC. You know, these are union organ. Not be one on one. For the people who really suffer, you know, and then they will be try for. But if they try for turn the election down, you not go down well with you.
Thank you so much, Papa. Have you said that the last interview because we come out and interview and give waiting more on you. So I want to ask you the last question. Waiting on your advice to us every Sierra Leonean and now waiting up now. Everybody, if you see the crowd, all my one vote for Tim Augustus. Waiting on your advice to us, brothers and sisters, we're not able to vote.
And I just give advice to all my brothers and sisters there because like even while the interview so now under in at Singapore. I'll be telling you the first time say in at Shanghai is so better. You understand? So let we ready for vote. So let them just pull down more ready from the ambassador what they try for say. So more follow the step and more follow the so more put her inside.
Thank you so much, Papa. Thank you so much. We shall call you again for another interview. Anytime we need you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Now make Lord on now, Lord close. Okay. See you. Good afternoon. Sorry, brothers and sisters. And as soon as I see, we interview the last man for today. Because again, they come now, they this one, so they tell you now. This way they cancel this election, so this election not going to take part. And I know say the people like all man get your own view, all man get your own act ready, we make they know able to vote. So they are the big one for God. Make una see people alone are try for no and what you will put in place to make this election become a success. Are the big one for God, for make everybody be calm, all the calms them, let all man be calm. Now we wait and see what will happen, and at the end of the day, we make a success election. We tell you all thank you, we appreciate you now on behalf of Mr. Augustus, Tim Augustus, we appreciate appreciate you now. We pray say that the day for the election we go be a success as we already be a success. We don't say this election we get St. Augustus. Because they know say we get the election, now I make all this UK happen, but UK will take place. It's not UAE, it's not Sierra Leone. This is UAE. Transparency will be the result of everything. I thank you now, I appreciate you now. Much